Ball Regular Mouth 32. The Ball Regular Mouth 32 is an exceptional product that caters to individuals looking for a reliable and durable glass container. Crafted by the renowned brand Ball, this product stands out in terms of quality and design. One of the key features of this container is its material, glass. Glass offers several advantages over plastic or metal containers. It is a non-toxic and non-reactive material, ensuring that your food or beverage remains safe and uncontaminated. Glass also provides excellent insulation, preserving the temperature of the contents for longer periods. The Ball Regular Mouth 32 comes in a clear color, allowing you to easily identify the contents inside. This transparency is particularly useful when storing different items and helps in organizing your pantry or refrigerator. The clear color also adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to the overall appearance. With a screw closure type, this container ensures a secure seal, preventing any